Mastering Idioms, the Crunch Time Conundrum. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on idiomatic expressions in academic and professional contexts. Today, we're going to explore a term that's vital to understanding time management and productivity in a professional setting. Yes, we're talking about the phrase, crunch time. Crunch time is an idiomatic expression that is commonly used in the English language, especially in professional settings. This term refers to a period of time when pressure to complete work is at its peak, usually just before a project deadline or when an important event is about to happen. It's the time when everyone is expected to work harder and faster to meet the goals or finish the tasks. Example of usage could be, the product launches in 2 weeks, so it's crunch time for our development team. With finals next week, it's crunch time for students. The phrase, crunch time, is believed to have originated in the 20th century, specifically within the realm of American sports. It was used to describe the intense final moments of a game where the outcome could be decided. From there, it spread to other fields, like business and academics, to denote similar high-stress, high-pressure situations. You might use crunch time in various scenarios in your professional life. It's a versatile idiom that can be used in different contexts. Here are a few examples. 1. When you're nearing a project deadline. We have to deliver the project by tomorrow. It's definitely crunch time. 2. During an important event or launch. The conference starts in 3 hours. It's crunch time, people. Remember, though it's a term often used to denote stressful situations, it's also a rallying call, a moment for teams to come together and overcome challenges. That's all for today's video on the idiom, crunch time. Understanding and using idioms like this one can not only enrich your vocabulary but also make your professional communication more natural and fluent. We hope you found this lesson helpful, and we encourage you to incorporate this idiom into your everyday language, particularly in professional contexts. Until next time, happy learning!